Hey, Brian from GarageMahal. Today I have this cool Hummingbird feeder. So let's open it up and see what we get inside. There we go. That was a little tricky. So very cool. Comes very well packed since it's glass. And there is a user manual in here, so let me grab that real quick. See if there's any tips and tricks and whatever else you can find out about this inside. And so there we go. So basically it kind of tells you how to open it, fill it, and we go from there. So it recommends mix 1 part sugar with 4 parts water, which is usually what I do. It's sometimes I mix it a little bit stronger, and I got all these little styrofoam pieces all over me. Okay, so basically what you do is you kind of unscrew it from here, and then it has a nice wide mouth so you can pour your sugar mixture in here. And then one thing that is super beneficial is hummingbirds, when they're near flowers, they tend to hover and basically put their tongue down into the flower to get what they need, their nectar out. Sugar wort, same thing. However, this has a nice little perch on it. And what will happen is your hummingbirds will land on it and they'll feed longer, so you can check them out like a lot longer. It has a nice silicone ring to it, so you put that in there. And this one's neat because you don't have to worry about lining anything up on it. Some of the feeders I've seen, you have to line the flowers up with the base and everything else. This you just basically hold, pour, you turn this upside down like this, and then you basically just screw it back into its base until it makes it seal. And then you are good to go, ready to have your hummingbird start feed. So let's go make the mix up inside the house, and then we'll put the feeder out. It's a little early, but I'm expecting them to come around probably next week at some point, but I want to make sure that they are ready. So stay tuned. Okay, so basically I'm taking a 2-cup measuring cup, and I'm going to fill up to the half mark with sugar, and then the rest of the way with water, so I'll get you that 4-to-1 ratio. Let me try pouring some in here first before we level it out. Try not to spill it. So it's about half, and then we'll fill it with warm water. Okay. Then we'll stir that until it dissolves. I'll keep that over on the side. Let's do a quick mix. Pour this in. Make sure we get all that nice dissolved sugar in there. A quick hit of water. Okay. We'll put this lid on. Okay, make it snug, and then you're ready to hang.